The fine-tuning of the universe for life, a case for intelligent design over chance. Quote, "The fine-tuning of the universe, for complex life to exist, points to the need for very specific conditions, with physical values that are limited to extremely tight ranges, that are extremely unlikely to have arisen by chance." Explanation. The fine-tuning of the universe stands as one of the most intriguing and debated topics in both science and philosophy. This concept highlights that certain conditions in the universe are precisely calibrated to allow for the existence of life. These conditions, which include the values of physical constants, the nature of fundamental forces, and the properties of particles, must fall within a very narrow range for the universe to be life-permitting. The improbability of such precise conditions arising by chance points toward the need for a purposeful cause, an intelligent designer, behind the universe's finely balanced structure. Here, we'll explore why the fine-tuning of the universe suggests intelligent design and why it's implausible to attribute these conditions to mere chance. 1. Understanding fine-tuning and its requirements. The term, fine-tuning, refers to the precise values of the universe's fundamental parameters, which allow life to exist. This precision is not a marginal detail, it's the difference between a universe that can support stars, planets, and life as we know it and one that would collapse or disperse into chaos. Fine-tuning is observed in various aspects of the universe. Gravitational constant. Gravity must be strong enough to hold stars and galaxies together but not so strong that it causes the universe to collapse. A slight variation in the gravitational constant would either prevent the formation of stars or make the universe contract quickly, eliminating the possibility of life. Cosmological constant. This constant controls the rate of expansion of the universe. A small change in the cosmological constant would either cause the universe to expand so rapidly that matter cannot coalesce into galaxies or contract it so quickly that stars and planets could not form. Ratio of electromagnetic force to gravitational force. The ratio between these forces affects atomic structure, chemical bonding, and planetary formation. If this ratio were even slightly different, atoms might not form, chemistry would be impossible, and planets could not exist. These constants, along with many others, must fall within an exceptionally narrow range to allow for a life-permitting universe. The margin for error is often so small that it's analogous to hitting a target less than a millimeter wide from billions of light years away. The improbability of such a configuration arising by chance leads us to ask, how could such a precise system emerge without an intentional cause? 2. The improbability of chance. When considering the odds, the fine-tuning required for a life-permitting universe appears staggeringly unlikely to have arisen by chance. Physicists have calculated the probability of all necessary constants aligning by random processes, with results that defy intuition. For instance, the cosmological constant alone must be accurate to 1 part in 10 to the power of 120. For perspective, there are roughly 10 to the power of 80 atoms in the observable universe. The chances of the cosmological constant alone having its precise life-permitting value by random chance are so remote that they would make winning the lottery multiple times in a row seem like a certainty in comparison. Consider further that fine-tuning isn't limited to 1 or 2 constants. Multiple parameters must be precisely aligned simultaneously. The sheer number of conditions that must independently converge suggests that chance alone is insufficient as an explanation. The odds of this configuration happening randomly are so low that it prompts us to seek an alternative, more reasonable explanation. An intelligent cause, which set these constants purposefully, offers a coherent explanation for this improbable fine-tuning. 3. The anthropic principle and its limitations. One response to fine-tuning is the anthropic principle, which asserts that we observe a fine-tuned universe because we exist within it. In other words, the universe must be compatible with life, otherwise we wouldn't be here to notice it. While this is true in a tautological sense, it doesn't answer why the universe is fine-tuned in the first place. It simply states that we exist in a universe that happens to permit our existence. The anthropic principle, therefore, does not account for the extraordinarily low probability of such a universe arising. It merely reflects that life could only observe a universe compatible with its own existence. While this observation is accurate, it doesn't provide an explanation. The anthropic principle lacks explanatory power for why the universe's conditions align so precisely for life. The improbability remains unexplained without invoking an intentional cause that set these parameters as they are. 4. Multiverse hypotheses and their shortcomings. Another common naturalistic response to fine-tuning is the multiverse hypothesis, which suggests that our universe is one of countless others. According to this theory, each universe within the multiverse may have different physical constants, so it's no surprise that we inhabit one with the right conditions for life. In this context, the fine-tuning of our universe is seen as a result of probability across an enormous number of universes, rather than an improbable accident. However, the multiverse hypothesis encounters significant defeaters. Firstly, it remains purely speculative. There is no empirical evidence for the existence of other universes. Additionally, even if the multiverse exists, it would require mechanisms to generate these universes, each with different constants. This mechanism itself would need fine-tuning to ensure that it can produce a life-permitting universe. Moreover, the multiverse doesn't eliminate the inference of design, it merely shifts the question to a higher level. Why would there be a multiverse-generating mechanism with the capability of producing life-permitting universes? The need for design simply expands to a more complex context rather than being resolved. Therefore, the multiverse hypothesis, while interesting, does not eliminate the inference to intelligent design, it merely relocates it. 5. Inference to the best explanation, intelligent design. When we evaluate explanations, we often use inference to the best explanation, which involves choosing the hypothesis that most coherently explains the observed data. Given the fine-tuning of the universe, the unlikely odds of these conditions arising by chance, and the limitations of alternative explanations, intelligent design emerges as a compelling answer. Intelligence has the capacity to set values with purpose and precision, creating systems that function according to specific requirements. The fine-tuning of the universe exhibits these qualities of purpose and precision. It suggests an intelligent cause that intentionally set the universe's parameters to create a life-permitting environment. This reasoning aligns with the design inferences we make regularly. When we encounter a highly organized, precisely structured system, whether a machine, an artwork, or a coded message, we reasonably conclude that intelligence was behind its creation. The fine-tuning of the universe for life, on a far grander scale, suggests a similar conclusion. An intelligent cause set these conditions with the goal of creating a universe capable of sustaining life. 6. The nature of this intelligent cause. The intelligent cause implied by the fine-tuning of the universe would need to possess attributes that transcend natural processes. This cause would need knowledge of how to calibrate physical constants, foresight to understand the requirements of life, and the power to set these constants within the fabric of the cosmos. Such a cause, therefore, would be beyond the limitations of time, space, and matter, implying qualities traditionally associated with God. Moreover, this cause would also be purposeful, choosing to set the universe's conditions to support complex, conscious life. In philosophical terms, this cause would need to have intentionality, the capacity to conceive and execute a purpose. The existence of such a cause aligns with the concept of an intelligent designer who not only initiates creation but also imbues it with order, structure, and meaning. Conclusion. Fine-tuning points beyond chance. The fine-tuning of the universe for life is a profound discovery that challenges naturalistic explanations. The precise calibration of physical constants and initial conditions reveals a cosmos structured with purpose and order, defying the odds of random chance. Alternative explanations, such as the anthropic principle and multiverse theory, do not adequately address the improbability of a life-permitting universe. Intelligent design stands out as the most coherent explanation for the fine-tuning we observe. By attributing this fine-tuning to an intelligent cause, we make sense of the universe's improbable life-supporting qualities. The implication is that behind the cosmos, there is an intentional mind, a designer who set the stage for life to exist. This designer transcends natural causes, embodying the qualities necessary to bring forth a structured, purposeful universe. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree, or would like to add your thoughts. If you would like me to respond to your comment, please make a level 1 comment, directly below the video, I will respond to all polite level 1 comments even if it takes me a while, due to other commitments.